Good afternoon. Walk away, please go before you throw your life away. A life that I could share for just a day. We should have met some years ago. For your sake I say, walk away, just go. Walk away and leave a life that's full with no regrets. Don't look back at me, just try to forget. Why build a dream that cannot come true? So be strong, reach the stars now. Walk away, walk home. If I heard your voice, I beg you to stay. So don't say a word, just run, run away. Goodbye, my love. My tears will fall now that you can. I can't help but cry, but I must go on. I'm sad, right? After searching so long, knew I love you, but I told you, walk away, walk on. Walk on. Thank you.